Hello, today I'm going to be going over how to assemble a sleeve and then attach it to your Whitley Workstation. So you're going to want to start with the raw components of your sleeves. So you'll need your wrist seal, your cuff, your O-ring, and your sleeve. So the first thing to do is to just secure the wrist seal around the cuff. So we'll just secure that around the outside. And then from there, we're going to take our O-ring and attach it around our cuff over the wrist seal. So we'll just hold this into position and stretch the O-ring around the outside of the cuff. So now that we have our assembled wrist seal and cuff, we just want to ensure that the O-ring is sitting on the bottom channel of the cuff closest to where the end of the sleeve would be. And now we're ready to just drop it into our sleeve. So we'll just drop it into the open end of the sleeve and secure the top of the sleeve around the top channel of the cuff. So just to review, this is what our assembled sleeve will look like. The top of the sleeve should be sitting at the top channel of the cuff, ensuring that the sleeve is completely covering the O-ring, and the O-ring should be sitting on the bottom channel of the cuff. So now that we have our assembled sleeve, we're ready to attach it to the front of our workstation. So now that we have our assembled sleeve, we're ready to attach it to the front of our workstation. So before we actually attach the sleeve, we'll notice that the porthole has two channels similar to the cuff on our sleeve. So what we're going to do is we're going to line the seam of the sleeve up with the floor, start at the bottom of the porthole, and stretch it over the top, ensuring that the sleeve is sitting in the channel that's nearest to the workstation. Now that we have our sleeve on there, we can go ahead and grab our blue O-ring, pull it over the sleeve, and secure it into the second channel that's nearest to us. So now that both of our sleeves are attached, we can go ahead and start using the workstation.